You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you.
Welcome back, JB Squad! If you're new to our channel, I'm Jazz, this is my little sister, Bella. That's what today we're going to be doing. Turn this store-bought slime into a giant slime. So, if you're wondering what is like turning a store-bought slime into a giant slime, basically we have slime that they made at the store, and then we are going to turn it into the biggest slime in the world. I'm joking, but we're going to turn it like really big, you guys. Like the size of the table. Like the size of a building. Well, maybe not that big, but you get the point. So yeah, we're going to be doing this. It's going to be a super hard challenge, but before we begin with today's challenge, we have some sad news for you guys. So unfortunately, we are not going to be attending Slime Bash Miami anymore. Oh, I just put because of everything going around. Now the flu's really strong, as most of you guys know, and the coronavirus. So we decided that it's best to stay home because Bella's a type 1 diabetic and she might get like really sick with it and stuff. So yeah. So we're really sorry that we can't attend, but it's what's best. So without further ado, let's get, you're excited. Let's get started.
Okay, girls, are you ready to see your slime?
No!
Okay, we'll close your eyes. First, I have to show JB Squad. These are the slimes. So this is Bella's and this is Jasmine. 3, 2, 1, open.
Oh my goodness, look at this. It's called Crazy Cotton Candy and it's a Nickelodeon slime.
And what's yours, Bella's? Bella? I said Bella's?
What is it?
And I got strawberry cheesecake.
Ooh, it says very, very cheesy.
Girls?
Yeah?
Even though the slime looks pretty, it's actually super melted.
What? No, it can't be.
Yep, it's time to open it and find
I
out.
don't believe you. Let's see.
Okay, Jasmine, you go first.
Yeah, and I'm happy to go first because I know it's going to be amazing. I mean, it's Nickelodeon slime. Okay, ooh, look at the color. Mom?
Told you. What are you laughing for? Now it's your turn.
Mine is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, let's see.
That's what you're thinking.
That
What?
I can feel something. What is? There's something in here.
How's the texture? Ooh.
How is it, Bella?
There's something in here. I think it's those little things that you put on the lid.
Let me see.
There's like some
You're moving.
paper thing.
Oh, I think it's just like turned hard. Bella, are you gonna be able to fix it?
I don't know. What's on the end?
Look at me over here.
Strawberries.
Ew, there's strawberries in there?
No little pumpkins.
Girls,
Like
you have 3 seconds to go get your ingredients. Go!
Okay guys, so we're back with our ingredients. We got food coloring, shaving cream, glitters, activator, glue, and I'm going for a teal slime.
And I'm going for a purple slime.
Okay, so
girls?
yeah.
I'm going for that glue because you girls are not allowed to use glue in this.
Wait, no! I have to.
You have to turn it into a giant slime without using glue.
How?
I don't know. Are you gonna be able to fix it?
I don't know.
Glue is what makes it big. Glue is what makes the slime.
Well, you girls better move everything out of the way because I'm gonna start my timer.
Is this kind of like a little?
Honey, what are you eating underneath the table?
Hey, this is mine. This is mine. Honey, this is my stuff.
Honey.
My stuff.
Honey's like
My
doing
stuff.
stuff.
My activator.
Okay, you ready?
It's my
Start the
activator.
timer.
It's my activator.
Hey!
Just getting it for
Bella, you're
Honey, she's gonna drop the camera. All right, girls, are you ready?
No!
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, usually I use glue, but now I don't have glue, so I guess I'm gonna use some foam soap. Maybe that'll like clean the slime. I don't know. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna put some shaving cream.
My foam soap is stuck. I'm gonna open it. It says turn this way. I can't open it. No, I'm gonna live. You're already adding in ingredients, and I'm over here struggling to open a foam soap bottle. You know what? We're going straight for it. Oops. Okay, so I wish it was like foam soap, but now it's just kind of like, oh no, what did I do?
You guys, I'm just gonna put a bunch of shaving cream.
Yours already looks bigger, Bella.
Yeah.
What did I do? No.
Yours looks more melted, Jana.
Look at mine. Oh, yeah.
Okay, I think that's good.
I need to turn it.
You don't have any glue.
Oh yeah, I don't.
So, when it hardens, you can't fix it.
Bella, what are you making your slime all the way in the little corner? Turn it right here, baby.
Because there's a bunch of thing and I don't want it to turn super hard. Like,
Remember last time you added too much shaving cream, so be careful. Because you guys don't have any glue.
Look, I made it. Oh, no, stop reminding me. It already changed color. Huh?
look, it's a light little baby pink.
And it's like a baby.
That's so pretty.
Look how together they look like cotton candy.
Well, I don't care.
Do you guys think we can do this? And how big our slime's gonna turn out? I don't know.
Honey, what are you doing in the bathroom? Oh, honey.
Guys, our mom just went to the bathroom because Honey was eating something.
Honey, no.
Wait, that's mine. I know. Get up.
What were you eating? You can't eat that, honey. Look at your mouth. Bad girl.
Oh, she goes. Oh no, I hear her coming. Pour. Okay. Oh no, she's coming.
Come on, go over there, honey. Let's see how much time you girls have left with my phone. Oh, you already out of the food coloring?
Yeah.
And you girls only have 2 minutes and 18 seconds left. I gotta go up close. Honey was eating a little piece of the roll of toilet paper.
Oh my gosh, she was?
Yeah. Wow, your slimes look a lot bigger.
It's super hard. I'm going to put some on my lotion. I'm so glad.
You're so glad.
I need lotion and I didn't get any.
See, I'll let you.
Oh, thank you.
Actually, everything is you.
Oh, thank you. So will I. You can use some of my foam soap. I mean, it kind of melted a little bit, but that's okay. Now it looks like a blue color, and I'm trying to turn it teal, so I better change the color quick.
You girls better hurry, you're gonna run out of time.
Oh, yeah, what time? I thought you forgot. No.
I never forget.
No!
Your slimes smell so good.
Yeah, they do.
Your head
One day, I'm going to make you live an island.
Bella!
You can see how it feels.
That's a lot of shaving cream.
You're going to make it super hard, and I'm
No,
going to make it super
You know what I'm gonna make it?
Fluffy.
You know what I'm gonna make it?
What?
The winning slime. Oh! Then I'm gonna have to steal some of your lotion again. Oh no, you're using it?
You can have it now.
Just grab this one. No.
Hey, you added, you know what? You have some shaving cream on your head. That's what you get for cheating and adding more
Hey!
lotion from the back.
Really?
I saw you.
No, you didn't. I got this from before, right, guys?
What is this? Bella, what is that? Bella? Did you use your glue?
No.
Yeah, she used it. You should definitely disqualify her and let me win.
She did this.
No, see, my glue is still filled up.
Let me see. Move your hands.
Move it. Move it.
Jasmine and Bella.
What?
You little cheaters.
We're not cheaters. We're
Cheaters.
no.
And you know what? You little cheaters, you only have 52 seconds left.
What? That was seconds. Come on.
Why did you guys have that glue? I didn't see you.
Well, you were
Tell me, Bella.
doing honey.
Doing honey.
You were just telling honey no in the bathroom. We just go ahead and put.
So while Honey was doing something bad, so were you girls?
Yeah, basically.
You have 23 seconds.
Easy.
My hands are kind of dry. I'm gonna use some lotion. Jumping.
You're gonna run out of time for using that lotion.
Oh, did you see? No, my slime is so hard. What do I
I
do?
think you need to knead it.
Yeah, I think so too. Maybe if you would have let me use more glue, maybe I would win.
You used glue behind my back.
Well, yeah, I guess since you already know that, I'm gonna have more.
15 seconds.
No,
Honey, you're adding more glue?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Bella, let's see yours. Wow. See yours? Yours looks really big. I think you need to knead it some more. You have 5 seconds.
What? No. Can you at least?
Time. Okay,
Well,
let's see.
remember-
Don't move.
Hey!
Okay, girls, it's time to see your slimes. Who's gonna go first?
Yeah. No, me.
Okay, show me.
Okay, so here's my slime.
Wow, it looks a lot bigger.
Yeah, I know it's kind of like weird, but it's make this slime bigger. It's
It
not
looks
like
really fluffy.
yeah, and it's huge. I call it.
Can you stretch it? Wow, it's really big.
And it's kind of swirls.
It's definitely got giant from that little tiny slime you had.
Mine reminds me of like a sky or like an ocean. I don't know. It's just so.
What are you gonna name it?
Sky blue.
Sky blue.
I got ocean eyes.
Ocean eyes. The ocean has eyes?
Okay, Bella, let's see yours. Ready? Bella, you ready to show us?
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow. It's so fluffy. Can you put it on the table so we can see it?
It's super soft.
It's really sparkly, Bella.
And sparkly.
Here, put it on the table so we can see it.
Okay. Can I swirl it?
Oh, you want to swirl it? Okay, go. Wow.
Okay,
How old are you again?
What?
How old are you again?
5.
Wow, Bella, it looks so pretty.
I'm just putting it from.
This is so hard
gonna
because
swirl
it
it
looks so
too.
pretty. Whoa. Let me see, put them side by side. Oh, this is hard.
It is.
Is it gonna be a tie again?
No.
Let's see.
I need to win
This is Bella, so sparkly, and I love the color. It's my favorite color. And this is Jasmine, so big. I'm gonna have to feel it. Oh, this feels so good. It feels like marshmallow. Oh, I almost want to eat it. Can I eat it? Just
No.
kidding.
It kind of reminds me of the new frozen ice cream at Disney.
Oh yeah. And let's see Bella's. Oh, Bella, I love the texture. It's very stretchy. Okay, but there can only be one winner today. So the winner is Jasmine.
You challenged me to do another
I want to do a part 2.
a part 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna win again.
So Bella, the only reason I chose Sissy to be the winner is because hers looks a lot bigger than yours. I love your color. You won for color, but the challenge was who can turn it into a giant slime. And Sissy's, can put it next to it. You see how it's much bigger? Even though she cheated and used glue.
So did she. Look.
Oh, yeah, but so did you. You're caught red-handed or purple-handed. Well, if you want to do a part 2, we can do a part 2, but not today. We'll do it tomorrow, okay?
Okay. We'll do a part 2 tomorrow.
And I'm gonna win, and then it will be a tie, and then we have to do it again, a part 3.
No, I'm gonna win, and then we won't have to do it again, and then I'll be the champion. Wait, what? I'll be the winner. Chicken dinner. So. Okay, guys, so now it's time for some shout-outs. Today's shout-outs go to Aixa and
Nayeli.
and we love you both so much. So yeah, and we also love all of you guys too. So let us know who you think has the better slime on our Instagram. We both have one.
Me.
Really? Obviously me. We both have one, and so does our mom. So go follow us, and I also have a TikTok. So follow me there too. So yeah, we love you guys to the moon and back.